Hey folks, how you doing? Bayou Golf over here at Santa Maria, Baton Rouge. Yes, chilly morning, wind blowing about 13, 15 miles an hour. Got rain coming in this week, so had to get it when you can. Par 4, pretty straightforward. Got some sand traps on the end, makes it kind of mean. Yeah, I tell you what, I got up this morning, I'm going, what in the world are you doing? Well, like I said, you got rain coming, you get it when you can. I know some of y'all still snowed in, rained in, or just being in. I'll tell you what, it can, what happened? There we go. Come on, cart. There we go. You just never know what the weather's going to bring. Some of the local houses here. A real nice golf course. This was a private course at one time, and the city of Baton Rouge took it over, and now it's part of what they call the BREC, B-R-E-C system, which I'm a member. Just bought my 6-month membership this morning, as a matter of fact, and I get to play 7 different courses, or is it 6 different courses, and this is one of them. I tell you what, it's a great deal, it really is. Like I said, this was a very private course at one time, and now the city's got it, and they're taking real good care of it. All right, here's the ball. See if I can get some yardage here. Well, that, my friend, was the wind blowing you over. Like I said, it is, man, I might have to put this behind the cart. Man, we got some wind out here. All right. Yep, the wind got it. Holy cow. And I tell you what, it's you play in the wind in your face. Well, it's like a confused wind. Had the camera blow it over. The wind blew the camera over. I get up here around the green and the wind knocks it down. So there you go. All right, we're short, but we can putt it. I tell you what, I'm gonna have to leave you guys right here so the wind won't knock the camera over. Just stepped it off. Just stepped it off. Looks like a 31-yard putt. Almost made it. All right. While you golf over here on a windy day over here in Santa Maria, I'll see if I can't get you another one.